Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a sticker always animate on your accounts, on Discord, on accessibility settings, easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click accessibility, and here as you see you will find sticker always animate. Click on it and that's it. That's how to make a sticker always animate on your account, on your accessibility settings, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.